This is the first time I've used the selfie mode on my smartphone, which is the only camera I use for shooting video. So I don't know if this video is going to be any better than yesterday's. So no retakes on this, because I want to keep this on the up and up. I want everybody to know that the winners were actually chosen at random. So anyway, sorry if you don't know what I'm talking about. This is the floorpro.com was founded in May of 2006. So we're celebrating 13 years, providing peer support to flooring professionals all over the world, and helping out consumers and do-it-yourselfers in all of their flooring projects. It's been a lot of fun. I've really enjoyed this. I've never been this involved in a website in the 25 plus years that I've been on the internet. So I've really loved doing this, and I'm happy that the Floor Pro has lasted 13 years and still going strong. We got over 17,000 members, and there's always activity every single day. It's always something new. And even though I've been retired from sales and installations for almost 13 years, I still learn stuff all the time. There's so many great members from all over the country and all over the all over the world, that keep me educated in new flooring products, and how to do installations, and what to look out for in inspections and all kinds of stuff. Anyway, you don't want to hear me ramble, I'm sure. I'm here to pick out our second winner from our 13-13-13 giveaway. And Kelly Five Coat won yesterday's drawing, and he chose the ProKnee 0714/0714E knee pads. Those are the custom-made knee pads from ProKnee. They're still offering two other all-purpose knee pad prizes, and there's a bunch of other prizes. There's actually 5 to choose from now, 5 different prizes to choose from. We're picking a prize winner every day for 13 days, and so I'm here to pick the second winner. I'm sorry I said that I was going to go out and find someone to draw the name out of the hat, but I'm sorry I can't do that today. So I'm going to do it myself. I'm going to choose a name from this hat, and I just hope that you'll trust that I do it at random. And let's see who our next winner is. Chris 45. All right, here. Chris 45. He's the next winner. I'm actually on the page that announces the winners right now, and I'm not sure. Oh no, it was someone else that said that they were gunning for a mug. So anyway, Chris 45 is the winner. I am typing his name in now at Chris 45. There he is. See how the name pops up when you put the ampersand? That's the A with the curl around it. And then start to type the name, and the name pops up if he's a member. Chris 45 is the winner. I will finish posting this, and I will drag the graphic that tells us which prizes you have to choose from, and we'll go full image on that, and it's right there. I will post this now, and within minutes. It's 11:23 a.m. So congratulations, Chris. You got your choice of 5 different prizes. You can choose from one of the other Pro Knees, the Pro Knee AP16s, or you can choose the Johnny Corners trapdoor kit with a pull. And Tools for Flooring has a 3-prize gift package, and that includes knee pads, leather knee pads, a leather pouch, and a cap, a knit cap with their logo on it. Or you can choose a TFP coffee mug or a TFP embroidered hat. In fact, the embroidered hat is the same hat that I'm using to draw the names out of. You can see the logo is upside down, but it won't be when you put it on your head, unless you happen to wear your hats upside down. So anyway, I'm going to end this video now. This is the most I've talked all day, and I'm tired. So I'm going to quit. I'm going to finish posting this, and let me know what prize you want, and the company, whoever's prize you chose, will send it out to you. And congratulations. Thanks for being a big part of the Floor Pro community. I appreciate it.